What is it?
This scheme of yours has failed, Lord Sidious. The blockade is blockade. We dare not go against the Jedi. Blockade.
Stunted slime in my slime.
Blockade.
Slime.
Blockade.
Slime.
Blockade.
Slime. This turn of events is unfortunate. We must accelerate our plans. Begin landing. Slime.
My lord, is that
Slime.
legal?
I will make it. Slime.
And the Jedi?
The Chancellor should never have brought them into this. Kill the Chancellor immediately.
Yes, my lord. As you wish. Yes.
Captain, look!
Nice.
Sir.
Roger.
What is going on down there?
Slime.
Oh, but I don't... Seal off the... Seal...
Yes, sir.
That won't be enough, sir.
Close the mask! That will hold them. This is impossible!
Slime.
Master! Master, destroy us! Shield generators! You were right about one thing, Master. The negotiations were negotiations.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.